Now let's get serious and talk about where the world is headed. The acceleration before COVID, we already knew everything was going to turn to the internet anyway. Where we work, where we play, where we relax, all of that was already trending and heading quickly towards the worldwide netwebs. But the pandemic simply took that trend and accelerated the out of it. And while the whole world bunkered down during the early days of the pandemic, and rightfully so, there have been millions of entrepreneurs who are watching this opportunity and grabbing it immediately. They're asking themselves, well, what if I could do this virtually? Could I convert this into an online business? And the market has given those people a resounding abso-freaking-lutely you can. But please, if you're thinking about trying something like this out, remember, it is not too late. You have not missed the boat. The market isn't too crowded. This is barely getting started. Digital products are still in their infancy. Even just in the time frame in which I created my first digital product back in 2009, until now, there has been so much growth and adoption, and it is just going faster and faster and faster. In fact, the digital product space is already a $950 billion industry, and it is currently right now growing twice as fast as selling physical products online. So believe me when I say that now is the time. There has never been a better time to launch your own brand with high-profit digital products at the core. All it takes is finding a community that you can call your own, spinning up some digital products that can solve their problems.